Grades untied, man. Come fast.
I don't know what to do. I'm really scared of buffalo. It's coming.
Hey
guys! Welcome back to Life Decider. Guys, today we started from Nev's home.
And then there's some,
What is it?
So no, there's some cranes or something. Mustard. Is it mustard?
I guess.
Yeah, looks like mustard. Yeah. This is quite a bit also. Cranes are there.
Guys, this is a beautiful.
Such nice green scenery.
The visuals here are amazing.
Nice
So
green
the
scenery.
farm here.
This is right next to
the crops. Yeah, this is a little bit
house.
yeah nearby to my home.
This is just behind our home.
Yeah, so it's really nice coming back to this place. And even this is the first time for me to going to Uppada also. Actually, a lot of people from NIFT and all visit here. This is one of the most
It's actually craft center. It's a craft cluster.
It will be very helpful for them. And this Uppada saree is also got international recognition. People from out of country source them from here. It's like internationally recognized craft that is there nearby. I heard of them, I saw them, but I never went to the weaving society.
Even I heard about this and I never. So guys, we got a chance to go there and see how their things goes on there.
This craft cluster and give it for the next year.
Next system we can show guys.
Project also.
Actually, we are going to cover most of the everything here. These will be our next semester's craft works.
Oh, really?
We are going to see them here.
Guys, Elite is not that excited because it's not her subject. It's not my department.
Yeah, we can talk to the weavers. We can ask them from when they are doing it and all, like very good information. And meanwhile, we can enjoy the visuals.
Guys, look at that view.
Shit, this is so good.
So nice, so nice.
Oh my god. Look at that flowing water pond, so smoothly going on. That buffaloes feeding on the trees, grass there. Very peaceful, guys. Like look at the coconut trees there.
It's so nice, man. The area is so nice.
Yeah.
Yesterday night.
And the canals, the crops.
Nice.
Oh my god. Those mountains there.
People are working there. Yeah, long.
Yeah, people come here, they get their food, they work all day and go back, rest at home. Like it's kind of lifestyle for them. You can see a lot of
Small canal over there.
yeah, and
Nice.
the coconut trees are also too small and too huge. Like yeah, look at the coconut trees. Those are small. So depending on the places, different trees have different heights, guys. So that is also there. And look at those electric poles and all.
Yeah, it's
connecting
between
the
Like one of a page. So
Current
guys, we
poles.
visited Nev's home and now we are way to our first destination in Visakhapatnam, and her house is full of energy, guys.
Yeah, I love her father.
Actually, I was thinking like my grandfather's health is not good and all, but he's still the
Super
same
energetic.
energetic.
Of all of them. Of all of them.
And most happiest and jolliest person there.
And he knows a lot, and when he's speaking in other languages.
Morning it was nice. He's explaining about the breakfast and all. I actually don't know what is that he is giving. Like this one. Yeah, Nev's father is explaining everything. Like he is more excited.
He's the one who's giving us more insights about Uppada,
Andhra.
and all of
Yeah.
that. Where to He go, knows how the to whole go. way, like what are all there, what are all not there, what should we see, what will be good, everything he knows. Really smart.
Guys, this is a beautiful.
Never getting all of energy.
Wow, guys, this is a heap of husk. I think there is a lot of, yeah. This is the occupation of the people here, guys. They'll, yeah.
People here are also very friendly. Even when we went around Nev's place also, everybody was so like receptive.
Guys, we reached inside a village, and wow, guys, dung cakes. Guys, there's a lot of buffaloes here. Wow.
So nice.
Those are the really healthy buffaloes, right? Like very big.
Okay guys, so the dung cakes that you saw, those are dried, those are mixed with cow dung and grass, and those are dried on walls. We use them for making fire for food. In front of the house with water.
Yeah,
like
in
we
ground,
sprinkle
right? In
She
ground.
said used for making cakes, lit ice, just like that.
Not used for making cakes. It's not cow dung cake, it's cow dung.
It's
a tradition. It's actually a tradition.
So
Yeah.
yeah,
on the walls.
yeah, they
Drying, they paste it on walls.
yeah, for getting it dried, they keep it on walls. Once they dry, they burn it and make fire out of
Fire,
it, and
okay.
they cook food with that thing.
Oh,
You guys don't have it in Kerala?
We do.
something is there like that.
I haven't seen it.
I have seen it.
This sprinkling of water with cow dung is for repelling insects.
Yeah, and all it's
Yeah,
good
it's a
for
scientific reason.
cleaning purpose and all
Yeah.
those things they will use it.
1 minute, I'll check the meter.
We're going through.
Guys, we're going through a village area. It's a beautiful village area, guys. Yeah, guys, there is a school here, and it's a very small place. You know, shops here. Guys, there is these small shops over here, really. And snacks, jalebi, laddus, wow.
Okay guys, so if you can look here, all the huts, all the houses are so well made.
This is palm
All
leaf,
the
right? Palm leaf.
yeah, palm leaves that they use it as shelter. They have kitchen, everything well maintained, just sorted out in that small space. You can see those images, white paint on walls. They use it for repelling ghosts. Like they have this thing of
What else?
Guys, on this area there's a lot of recycling.
like all the metal.
All the metals and plastics are sorted here. Oh, nice, man.
And here, if you can see, there is tar, there are lorries and stuff. We just missed it. But yeah, there are a lot of trees. Mango farm. Yeah, it's a farm, guys, full of mango trees.
This is my name.
Yeah, I think the season is done. Oh my god, there are people here nearby working.
Guys, this is such a beautiful village that we are going through.
Such cute houses.
Yeah, there is a small road here, and both the sides is filled with greenery. And guys, look at those, there is goats there, and next to this there is this tree and a small pond.
There are a lot of coconuts this side.
I think it's also farm.
I think they are extracting the oil from the coconuts here. So this is a farm. So these are all heaps of lot of coconuts here. Oh my god, these are all coconuts, guys.
Yeah.
I haven't seen this before.
Farm. And there is this farms also. All those mangoes. Guys, on the way we stopped and we are going to a farm next to this. Wow. Guys, this is full of mango trees.
We just stopped here. We saw this visual and
Wow, there's a lot of trees, guys. Guys, we parked our Fortuner here and yeah.
I think this is a cashew farm.
Cashew.
These are all cashew plants.
Guys, this tree looks really old because it's very thick truck.
There are huts. I think that is the person who is taking of.
The whole
Bro,
farm.
there is buffaloes also. Here in Andhra, I think people have more buffalo milk. Yeah. So we'll find some village guy here.
Guys, this is so beautiful farm, bro.
Speak to him like we are wandering here. He'll be surprised. Who are these guys?
Guys, there is these buffaloes left free to, you know.
Is it tied or?
It's coming to us. Oh my god. It's not tied. Bro? Bro? Is it tied?
I don't know why is it looking up.
What?
Okay.
It's tied. Come.
Are you guys sure?
I guess nobody is wearing.
No. Bro. It's tied.
Tied.
Thank God.
It's looking somewhere. No issue.
No.
Guys, it's tied, okay. So let's go, come.
Why are all of them coming?
Come. Okay, now it will move right now.
It's looking at me now.
Come, run.
No. Are you sure? Don't like that. Okay, guys, we just escaped.
I just told about dung cakes, right? Those are made of this shit.
Oh
Those
shit!
dung cakes are
Guys,
made
you're
from
showing shit now.
Yeah,
This is a real shit.
yeah. Dung cakes are made from those. Good waste. Yo, lot of collected.
Guys, there's a lot of buffaloes here. We're going to run. I'm pretty much sure that buffalo. Look at that. It's guarding that place, bro. They're waiting us to come back.
Actually, there was a man here, but by the time we came here,
He ran away.
He left. He went on a bicycle to somewhere.
Okay, guys, there's a lot of dangerous.
Ox is there, cow
Ox
is there. Is it ox? Yeah, this is ox, and their horns are so. What is that?
Small.
Don't get up.
Okay, guys, this is the structure.
Why are you guys so scaring me?
I heard this story, but this is not ox. This is cow. Don't worry, guys.
Can you stop taking B-rolls?
If oxes are danger things, I have heard about the stories like ox can kill with the horn.
Horns, yeah,
this
that's
is very
right. So,
dangerous. But
what
this
is-
is not ox. This is cow.
bro? This will be what we do if one of those come like that.
We need to climb up the tree, and actually I don't know how to.
Bro, none of these are tied. Look at them.
Bro, which tree will you go?
Oh my god, that thing is coming. Guys, everyone got up.
Dude, they're waking up.
Yeah,
It's a little scary.
Bro, what if everyone attack at a time?
yeah, I have no idea what I'll do.
And my there is ant attack also will get up. Not only cow attack, ant attack also. There are a lot of ants here.
Oh my god! Oh shit! What is that?
You're lucky.
What?
Got inside cow dung.
Is that a luck? It's not cow dung, it's soil. It's mud mixed with cow dung.
You just left your mouth.
Yeah, I left my mark there. I came here. Just like moon, the man landed in moon.
Okay, guys, it's all a little too.
Guys, Drix is fearlessly plucking things.
I thought it's
Oh,
press supporter, but it's hard.
it's not bribed.
I thought it's ripe. Tied this thing for what? So they made this. They tied all the dried sticks with these ropes, cloth ropes and all.
What is
This
this?
is to clean the place.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's so sweet.
All the dried leaves and all they clean with this thing.
Nice.
So they made this customized broom.
Guys, I heard a tap water somewhere, and you know what it is? One of the ox. That was this one. Peeing.
They have a lot of pee, and these things are very useful in puja purposes and all. I have seen it.
Those are a very good manure for plants also.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Very good manure, and people drink
dung
cows' urine.
Ah,
It's good for health.
It's good for health.
Yeah,
Guys,
completely
this is still not. Guys, I also feel like want to climb now.
There are a lot of red camera.
Red ants. Then
I'll
I'll.
hold the camera.
Yeah.
Ants are there. Be careful.
Oh my god. You can climb even more higher.
I hope I won't fall.
Yeah, you won't.
Get us some mangoes. Are there any mangoes? No, right?
This is a mango tree, but there are no mangoes, guys.
There is. I think season is
Out of the season. Go. Come on.
Is trying
Drix and Grey.
By the way, it has some college work.
College work.
Yes, guys, class and all.
Her class is not.
Now you go up.
You have to move.
Busy with classes, and we are here exploring the farm here. This is a very good farm.
I need a bigger
Branch mango tree, okay?
This is so
I think that is a very dense mango tree behind those buffaloes.
that dangerous buffalo.
And this stick, if you see here, this is used to tie the buffaloes, guys. This is a strong branch here.
Man, this is not
This is
strong.
actually kept here.
This is for tying the buffaloes, right?
Yeah.
But this is not strong. If the buffalo pulls it, will come out.
They will die, guys.
I think that's why they are not using this.
And I am very much afraid of their horn. That is so sharp and it's folded like this.
Oh
If
my
we
God.
get one time, then we'll on the spot.
And you know what? It's not tied, by the way. Which one? This one. Shit! It's tied. It's tied.
How will that pole hold the tying of buffalo? I don't understand.
Guys, there's a lot of heaps of cow dung which is here.
my God.
Oh my god.
Not only this, there is other 2-3 cow dung.
There are hubs of cow dung and buffalo dung.
Yes, guys.
Nature
Yeah.
manure. Guys, let's climb this one.
Yeah.
There is that other one.
Guys, this one is so wild.
Actually, haunting.
Very wild. That's why it is tied, or else we are done for the day.
Yeah. All these
Okay.
people are peace, I guess.
Oh no, it's not.
Oh my god.
Looking at me.
Anyone
my
wearing
God.
red color dress? I think
Okay,
Grace
now-
is almost similar to red.
Shit.
No.
Gray finally chose a very good tree to climb. Yeah. Oh my god, the buffalo is coming for Gray.
No.
Climb quickly. I'm just kidding. Okay, it's staring at you. It can't come from there.
Guys, on the other side, I want to climb the other side.
Okay.
That is a very long,
Long branch it is.
long branch. Look at that.
And careful.
Oh my god.
If I fall,
Come on.
it's okay.
It's like trekking.
Yeah. Oh man, there are big ants I can see. Look, come this side.
Oh my god. Finally.
It's like a path.
It won't break.
Oh, it's like a game. It's like
so good.
So good.
You can sit here and rest.
Yeah.
One hand.
Come on, climb it, climb it.
Who is coming for us?
Bro, it's making sounds. It's like warning us.
Actually, it's
Shit.
protecting these mango trees. These buffaloes are protecting.
Oh, that's why they tied it there. Huh?
Yes, their
Or else it
owners
would-
might be kept here for protecting this all mango trees.
Yeah.
Climb the next one.
Or else they would have.
an addiction.
Oh my god. Or else it would have hunted us.
If you're that, brave, I'll give you like around like how much you want. Go near that and take a B-roll.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
I don't need anything. Give me what
Guys,
I
What
want.
does
that is
go
a
say?
big task. That is a big task.
Guys,
So, what is your take on this?
I don't want anything from anybody.
Guys, I think this is a young one. Oh, come here.
Gym one every day doing exercise.
Come here.
Actually, they are not interested
Boy.
in taking photos.
It's
They are
so
getting
shy.
violent.
Oh, it's getting
Oh
violent.
my god, why are you so shy?
It's not
And also they are very much
It's angry on
Oh my god, I think we can go back. Start
Yeah.
the journey.
Yes, guys, I have no mind to go back. This is such a beautiful place, guys. Beautiful. Like, we can roam around here. And there's a lot of trees. I think we might. Bro, do we get any other fruits from here? Look at that. Look at that person coming. My lord.
Actually looking up, but the concentration towards you guys.
Me?
Yeah, look at that.
What?
See, it's looking.
Oh, lord.
Bro, I hope that tree which is tied is strong enough.
I hope the rope is tied properly, guys.
Guys, we need to go back.
Bro, let's scoot, let's scoot, let's scoot, let's scoot. Oh, Lord. Shit.
Don't run.
Don't run.
We are getting attracted and we
Guys, da. Let's do until let's go all the way there and round and go.
we can go through this.
Bro, you know the boundary, right? Until where it
Yeah, but it's so close.
Okay, no, don't.
But it might kick.
No, come.
Don't attack the buffalo.
Don't shout.
Bro, I want to. It will come. God. I'm trapped. I don't know what to do. I'm really scared of buffalo. It's coming. Yeah. Bro.
Great, it's untied, man. Come fast.
Bro, I'm saved. Shit. Ah. Bro, I was sorry. Oh my lord. Oh god.
We're almost dead.
We know.
Guys, I was almost dead.
I'm pretty sure if we run, it can run and it can break its neck.
Oh
And
my.
you went behind wantedly.
God already, man.
No.
Yeah.
No, I was scared.
Dude, look at it. Like, look
it's
at it.
actually is not good.
Yeah.
Because of it is eating everything. Then it will be
Yeah.
bad.
It's spoiling the.
Spoiling everything.
What? See, it came to there.
Mango tree. Because of
It came till there.
because here got the
Oh
kai
shit.
varakkunnallo.
I'm scared. My hand is shivering. Got like goosebumps on
Every
her.
time it happens to Grey man, like, wantedly.
No.
Just miss from
Guys, I'm actually scared. I was not able to move when the buffalo was that much near.
That is it.
That is
Guys, that is a buffalo.
Oh my god, it died. It's not strong. I felt it.
Where is that?
After seeing
Oh,
that
shit.
rope, I felt it. It's very.
That is so wild.
The thing is,
It's wild only.
if we make it run, it will obviously tie it.
Yeah.
So we walked slowly and we went behind it. I don't know why.
I didn't win behind. I thought I'll come like
She was trying to
round.
escape basically
Yeah.
from the
Oh
other
my
side.
god.
If I come behind, it'll obviously I won't
Because
be
it was actually
able to
kind
run.
of, you're targeting
Oh
her.
my god.
It was like, you know, if I come behind you, it will come behind you because I'm wearing red. So I took the longer
It's a
way.
good thing that you did that, but I didn't think you
Oh
would
my
like break
god.
the
Yeah,
rope.
but you could have walked anyways.
I stopped there and I took the longer way so that it won't
You
come.
okay, right? But
Yeah.
Guys, so amazing experience. I almost died.
Just
What?
miss from that's all of
guys,
us.
it was
Never so pissed. I'm super like shivering my hands.
It's like next time.
Even though she walks straight, if she's red and it's attracted, it can just unleash in front of us and all of us will be running.
No. Only if it's running.
I think it targeted me.
Yes, it
cornered me. Yeah.
I have to
Oh my
because of the
god.
dress. I already told people
I think
like
it sends the fear also.
similar to red.
It sends my fear.
Shit.
It will
Animals
attract.
can understand
Oh my god, that was a unexpected thing.
Guys, I'm still not over it, but yeah, guys, we are. Oh wow, such a beautiful place.
കാലൊക്കെ ചെക്ക് ചെയ്തോ പാമ്പ് അടിച്ചോ
Illa.
ഉറപ്പല്ലേ
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Wow, guys, beautiful road in the middle, and both the side it's green. It's green paddy field, and there is cycle coming opposite us. Sorry, it's bike. Guys, it's so amazing, an amazing experience. My hands are shivering. Shivering.
Oh my god, actually I was so much afraid. Like at a point of time the buffalo rope was untied, it was broken. And yeah, and we are like shouting from there. Shit, I was like, oh my god.
Guys, look at the surrounding. This is all green and village. This is what we want to show you guys. We don't want to show you the old tourist places, but this is shoo. Guys, we just saw another group of goats here. Oh, I think these are sheep. Don't run. Okay. These are. Guys, look at that. There's a lot of sheep
Oh
here.
my god, look at this view. So beautiful.
These are nati, right?
Yeah. Those are organic. I don't know what to say.
These are called the village goats. Like, guys, look at them. The village goats. Like, guys, look at them. This got chased by a buffalo, and we're chasing the goats now.
So if you can see, these are all teak plants. What? These are all teak plants.
Teak plants, all those things.
So yeah. So once they get grown for 30 years, each plant will get crores of money from all these plants.
It's not thick. It's kachadi. What?
No, it's teak. It's teak. I know. Yeah. Actually, these are small right now.
Huh.
So once they grow big, the branches become so strong, and we'll get a lot of money from those branches, guys. Like
Guys, such beautiful brown
look
goats
at
here.
that heap there, like
Yeah.
that Dayas for them to see
Stand.
That
I
is
think
a
that is
separate
a
team.
leader who is standing.
Yeah.
Bro, look at that leader. Wow.
Shit.
that
Shit.
big one.
Yeah, can we go around and stand in front of him?
We'll be chased by that one also. Yeah, it has horns.
I'm done. I'm not running for the day.
And why
Please,
these
guys,
birds are
don't.
on top of that god?
That looks so
See
nice.
that the birds, that black birds on top.
Crane there.
Yeah,
It's
black
eating
birds.
the insect from the body.
Guys, this is super beautiful because this whole place is green and there is this brown goats, you know, just eating and chilling there, guys. I think that one is the leader. He having a very, you know, big horn, and it's so. Okay. Okay guys, we are going back. I think all these goats are like really scared of us and they're running off, and he is like, okay, we are scaring them, so we're going back, and also we don't have much time, so we have to get back to car.
Let's get back.
Yeah. Bro.
I don't trust you and your cam anymore.
What? Guys, I just want to show you guys everything. And one thing is, I love goats, like.
There's a lot of small temples.
And pond.
This is Bakka village.
Yeah, this is very super,
They
guys.
have their own
Guys, this is what life designer want to show it to you guys. Guys, there is some. It's a fish pond, right? Artificially made fish ponds over there.
God, look at this. So nice. Oh God, look at that pond there. So good. Look at this. Buffalo sort of.
Guys, so beautiful, guys. These are the sceneries that you won't find, you know, in normal, but this is what we want to show you guys. This is so beautiful. Look at all those mangrove trees, right? Those are mangrove trees. Yeah, guys, this is so good. This looks like a whole forest over here. This looks like a really thick forest. Wow. Guys. Guys, we just saw the Upada board. We're almost there.